Hey everyone, it's Linda. I am making chicken pot pie. I roasted chicken the other night and I thought, when I roasted whole chicken, I normally have leftovers. And today I don't have too many. They're in here and I'm just going to make a really quick chicken pot pie. So I'm gonna probably do it on fast mode for you in just a minute, but I wanna talk to you about some of the products that I'm gonna be using in the recipe. So I'm making a small one and it's just for my husband and I. You saw there's not much chicken and potatoes there. So this is actually going out of the catalog. This is our Garlic and Brie Baker and I am in love with this because I make my hot dips, my 3-minute hot dips. So when I have people over, I just put cream cheese and cheese in here and whatever kind of seasonings I have. We have all of the pantry seasonings. Throw that in there, maybe some extra little goodies, and then I just kind of make my dip in here. So this, you can also bake. I can make individual chicken pot pies. This is actually going to make a chicken pot pie for both my husband and I, and I'm going to put a salad on the side. So this is the one I'm most likely going to do because it's going to be nice and full. And the bonus is it fits in the toaster oven. So I like that. But also another one that I could do it in, if I found that I had enough, was my round covered baker. I love this. This is, instead of the deep covered baker, we have this one, which is more for 2 people. I love that. It's perfect for my husband and I. And again, it fits in the toaster oven. So I like that too. Then we have a stainless steel whisk. I'm going to make a roux. I don't know if you can see that right there, but I've got some stuff going. And I'm going to be using that. And then I'm also, of course, cutting boards and my little small mix and scraper. Love that. And then just my prep bowls. I prep these up ahead of time. So I use those little 1-cup ones. And my batter bowl, which you'll see because I made some stock with the bones of the chicken. I made stock. So there you go. I am going to make this on kind of like speed. I'll see you. Okay, this is gonna go in the toaster oven and then it's gonna get done. I actually think it's a little bit too full. Excuse me. So I think it's gonna overflow a little bit, but I'll clean that up. Now I have this little ball of dough. This doesn't go to waste. This is actually going to be a jam turnover for me, the cook. Maybe I'll save some for my husband, I don't know. But I'll just roll it out and make a little jam turnover to put in, kind of tuck it on the side. But I'll put a picture of it. I'm sure it'll probably blow up. But like I said, this is just a leftover thing, and I don't know if you noticed that I put some kale in there also. So some kale and fiber, just because there's not a lot of veggies in there. I'm going to serve it with a salad, but not a lot of veggies. So bye for now. I will talk to you soon. And yes, we have some left. We had the salad on the side, so we've got some left, and we'll probably have it for maybe lunch or maybe another dinner. I don't know. There might not be totally enough for both of us, but maybe for one of us. And then, of course, that turnover.